Here's how you can make 200 grand with this new play to earn NFT. It's called Creeps. Right now the floor price is sitting around 8.6 Ethereum. So let's crunch some numbers. Let's see how you're gonna make that 200 grand, all right? So each creep earns you some tokens. They're called Lumi, all right? And each creep averages like 1,600 Lumi tokens per day. The Lumi token's sitting around 54 cents right now. So that equals out to 864 a day, 6,048 a week, 24,192 per month, or $290,304 per year. Now the floor price on these is getting hefty. It's about $21,000, 8.6 Ethereum. So the amount of time it's gonna take to get your money back right now is about 24 days. Now look, I know it sounds very questionable and you should be skeptical, but you should go do your research, see what the team is doing, because as of now, everything's been running smooth. And I bought a